Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is lime green. So I will give you the specs on this hair at the end of the video if you are interested, but for now we are going to do this eyeshadow tutorial. Okay, so first we're going to go ahead and base our lid with the LA Girl primer in white, and we're going to blend down the edges of that white with the MAC eyeshadow in Uninterrupted. And I like this eyeshadow because it is your skin tone, or my skin tone, and it blends it out well. So next we're going to take this eyeshadow, which is called Acid Berry by Sugar Peel, and this is going to be our transitional shade. The next color is called Vibrating Green. This is a Coastal Scents Hot Pot, and we're going to place this under the Acid Berry color, and we're just going to blend it out into the crease. We're also using Vibrant Green for the all over mobile lid color, and we're just going to pack that on with a eyeshadow brush. The next color is another Coastal Scents Hot Pot, and this one is called Prehistoric Green, and we're just going to define the outer V with this darker shade of green. So now we're going to take the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going to take this lime green in the center of the palette. It doesn't have any name, and we're just going to place this in the center of the lid to give it a little bit of shimmer. For Brow Bone Highlight, Blame It on Midnight by NYX. This is my staple, you already know. So now we're going to take this City Colors glitter primer, as well as the MVI Cosmetic Stack is Neon Dreams, which I don't sell anymore, but I still use my products. So I'm just going to go ahead and place the City Girl glitter primer in the inner tear duct of my lids, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the neon yellow in the neon color stack. That's my tear duct color. So now I'm going to line my waterline with the LA Girl primer in white. I'm going to take those two colors on my eyelid, which is Vibrant Green as well as Prehistoric Green, and place those on the lower lash line. Adding lashes and eyeliner off camera. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight and conceal with Tarte's Shape Tape in the color Deep. And I will place that under the eyes, nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and chin. So I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face. I'm going to set the highlighted areas with Topaz by Ben 9. Set the rest of my face with Sienna and Chestnut Mix by Ben 9. And you know, the usual. Adding my favorite two mascaras, the Voluminous Carbon Black and the Total Tease by Maybelline. I'm going to contour with the Black Radiance Foundation in Deep Ebony, and I'm going to highlight with the Juvia's Place palette, the Saharian Blush Volume 2 palette, and the color is called Kaida or Kyra, one of them. Starts with a K, the first highlighter in the palette. That's the one I'm using. Let me throw on some hair. I know y'all like, why you got this wig cap? Why you got this wig cap in the video? Your face is pretty, but your head is ugly. Okay, so this wig is made by Vella Vella. I'm trying to make it focus, but it don't want to. Vella Vella in the style Adele, and I got it in a 1, which is black. And I did a review on this wig. I will link that at the bottom of this tutorial if you want to see everything about it. But I really like this wig. This is just my second time wearing it. It's been in the closet in one of those little Tupperware things you get from Walmart. I got a big old crate full of wigs. So I thought I wanted to wear some big hair because I really liked how my pictures came out with this wig. And it is like a curly wig, like an afro, but not afro-y. But I have this little string right here on the side. I didn't have no scissors by me to cut it, but that little one Shirley Temple right there is getting on my nerves. But I really do like this wig, and I keep it packaged very neatly because I do not want it to tangle like the bangs right there, because when I was trying to separate the curls it was kind of getting more matted. So you got to be real careful with this wig, but I really like it. And don't forget, the name is Adele by Vella Vella. It might be on samsbeauty.com, but I found this at a beauty supply. So the lip color that I'm going to use, there's no name on it. I bought this from Walgreens around Halloween time, and it had like some glitter to go with it, but it didn't have a name. So I like to put purple and green together. I think it is very pretty. I know the eyes are already bold, and then I got a bold lip, but I thought it brought the eyes out a little more. I did not want to do a nude lip. So that is the look, you guys. I really like it. Don't you like it? And the wig just made it look so pretty. My thumbnail gonna be bomb. My thumbnail gonna be bomb. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button as well as the notification bell. And I got some I got something coming up for you guys that is super wonderful, and I can't wait to share with you guys. And yes, it got to do with some affordable lace front wigs, so stay tuned. I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in today. Bye.